Hi guys, Josh here from E&O Property. So we are in Nottingham today, and this is a property we've just completed on for a client. They're an overseas client. They are a portfolio buyer, so this is about the fifth one they've bought in the last year. We're about 10 minutes walk from Nottingham City Centre. You've got the canal side just here and an easy walk to major employers in the city. Terraced house. So what the unique thing with this property is it was purchased from Nottingham City Council. So some of you will know Nottingham City Council, Birmingham City Council are in a position where they're effectively bankrupt, so they are selling off a lot of stock. So this was bought effectively under auction terms. It was a cash purchase. I think the completion all in all took about 6 weeks from start to finish. So a lot quicker than your normal mortgaged purchases. They were able to get quite a significant discount. So this was bought for £174,000. It's a 3-bedroom terrace with the potential to get a 4th bedroom because it's already had the attic converted. So I'll take you around the property quickly. This is what I would say is one of the properties that needs a major renovation. So we're talking in the region of £25,000 to £30,000 to get it in a condition that we would be able to rent it out at. Just mind the rubbish. Obviously this place is going to undergo a full renovation. This will be the front room. So again, it probably needs replastering, skimming throughout. You can see the woodwork, the coving has been painted multiple times. So they all need stripping back, repainting, and making good. The hot water pipes need chasing into the walls. At the moment they're exposed, which is not desirable. It may make it easier to maintain, but it's just not what we look for in a nicely finished renovated property. So this is the living space, good size. Again, this would probably where you'd have a sofa, TV. Windows are about 10 to 15 years old. We'd keep these. They've got the beading on the outside, which generally tells you they're at least 10 years old. The kitchen, if it potentially could have been kept, but because we're doing a full renovation, we'll rip this out and put in a whole new kitchen for the sake of £3,000 or £4,000. It's worth doing. I'll quickly show you outside whilst we're here. We'll come back to that. Bit of storage down there. Stairs are quite steep, which is typical in these terraced properties. Bathroom definitely needs replacing, so we'd look to put in a shower here. It's a little bit awkward with the layout, but what we'd probably do is put a shower on this wall and then have an enclosure or at least a curtain rail to enclose it. Because if you rent it to families or students, most will want the option of a bath and stand-up shower. So this is one of the smaller bedrooms. So I think it's about just under 3 meters long by 2 and a bit meters wide. So it's just below the 6.5 meters squared. So this is more likely to be a study or an office. And then the main bedroom, good size. We will probably look to enclose this. This is just a flue for the boiler, which is in here, which is not that old. We just need to allow access if it is enclosed because of the gas safety requirements. And then top floor, again, good sized bedroom. We'll need completely renovating, as mentioned, probably skim the walls, put a new loft hatch in, new carpets, and then just a deep clean. The question mark is over whether we keep this as a bedroom. It doesn't meet the minimum size, but it could be, again, an office, a study, or we look to remove this partition wall and just put like a banister along here, which will open up the space, make it look a lot less tight, and make it a bit more aesthetically pleasing. So yeah, stay tuned. We'll start the renovation in the next week or so. We're looking to bring in the renovation for around £30,000. So yield wise, we're looking at about an 8% yield because this will be rented out more than likely to students because of the location so close to the city centre. So about £1,300 to £1,400 per month based on renting to 3 students under one contract. Thanks for watching.